Isn't he interesting?
He looks like a piece of crap.
Get on there. Get on that camera. Would you be mad if I did that?
Do what?
Put it on the camera.
Oh my god, he's so gross. Look at him.
He kind of smells bad too.
Oh, go give him to Taylor.
Put him on the door.
No, give him to Taylor.
Get on the door, fool.
Stop. Go get Taylor. Stop.
Let's go show my dad. Dad, look. It's a slug.
Hang on.
He's getting salt.
Ah!
We get to what? Oh, I almost flung it on myself. That's really bright. Can you still see him?
No. No.
Yeah.
If you're gonna eat slugs, you gotta have salt on them.
Wait, Dad.
Don't let Kimmel out.
Watch him die.
Look at him, Jason. He's like, oh no.
Does it like burn him?
Mm-hmm. He's like, dude, don't. Now you eat him.
No.
He's salted, ready to go.
You eat him. That'd be nasty. Why did they do that?
Why does it die when it has salt on it?
Because it's salty.
Well, we don't die when we have salt on us.
You're not a slug. Oh, wait a minute.
Dad, do one of your funny voices. Respucia.
Oh, dudes.
I'm dying.
Oh my gosh.
Look, he's going to turn into a little blob now. Here.
I don't. Ew.
You're going to drop him if you don't be careful.
Okay.
He's trying to get to the other side. Now he'll go back the other way. Oh, that's nasty. Pick him up.
Come back on here.
Y'all are both nasty.
Yuck. Gross. Bug.
There's a slug dying.
Okay, bye. Lock you out here with the slug.
No. I just kind of left it over there because it was all gross.
It's okay. Yeah.
Hey, we're all trying to work. Can we have those flashlights back?
Sassy much.
Girl, I know. Well,
Stop recording.
Hmm?
Stop recording.
Okay. See you next time on episode 4.